The last time the Oval Invincibles clashed with the London Spirit, it was a thriller with the match ending in a tie. That was at Lord's a week back, and the two sides will again lock horns at the Oval on Sunday. Invincibles number 4 पे हैं on the points table और London Spirit number 3 पर. And it is only net run rate that separates the two teams, which have both won 3 of their 6 matches. The Oval in London has hosted 16 matches in the Women's 100, with the team batting first coming out victorious in 8 encounters. जिस कैप्टन ने टॉस जीता है, उन्होंने केवल 3 बार बैटिंग फर्स्ट करने का निर्णय किया है. So, chasing is the preferred option at the venue. The team which has won the toss has won 6 matches for a win probability of 40%. The average score batting first at the Oval is 123, whereas the average total chasing is 110. Both teams are likely to go in with the same playing 11s. Both teams have played 5 matches against each other in the 100, with Oval Invincibles having a 3-1 record. Alice Capsey is the leading run getter for the Invincibles this season, with 169 runs in 6 innings, including 2 50s. Marizanne Kapp is the MVP for the Invincibles so far this season. She has an aggregate of 125 runs at a scoring rate of 145.3 and has also bagged 6 wickets at an economy of 6.9. Heather Knight is the highest scorer for London Spirit in the tournament with an aggregate of 160 runs in 6 innings at a strike rate of 145.45. Sarah Glenn is the leading wicket taker for London Spirit this season with 8 wickets in 6 matches. Paige Schofield produced a player of the match performance against the Originals, hammering an unbeaten 48 off just 27 deliveries in Manchester. She has a strike rate of 148.6 this season. Chamari Athapattu is the avoid pick for the Invincibles. उन्होंने सिर्फ 39 runs मारे हैं in 4 innings at a strike rate of 73.58. She has also not bowled a single delivery this season. Deepti Sharma is the hot pick for London Spirit and their most valuable all-rounder. She has scored 113 runs while also picking up 6 wickets at a bowling strike rate of 13.3. Cordella Griffith is the avoid pick for London Spirit. She has just scored 72 runs in 6 innings in the tournament. The Invincibles have the edge against London Spirit. They will be playing at home and have the advantage in the head-to-head record. उनकी बैटिंग भी ज़्यादा strong है. The Invincibles have a 60% chance of winning. Marizanne Kapp would be a good choice for captain. Deepti Sharma will be a fine option for the vice-captain role. हमारी फैंटेसी 11 में बैटर्स होंगी पेज शोफील्ड, मेग लैनिंग और हेदर नाइट. The wicketkeeper will be Georgia Redmayne, who smashed a brilliant unbeaten 66 of 59 deliveries in the win against the Originals. All-rounders में शामिल हैं Marizanne Kapp, Alice Capsey, Deepti Sharma and Raina McDonald-Gay. The bowling lineup will comprise of Amanda Jade Wellington, Sarah Glenn, and Sophia Smale. The backup batter will be Joanne Gardner, while the bowler would be Tara Norris. The all-rounder will be Maddie Villiers.